So for today, we're going to solve integration of exponential function. The integral of e to the power of negative 3x multiplied by negative 3dx. So first, we're going to let u is equals to negative 3x. Then, we're going to find its derivative. So du is equals to negative 3dx. So therefore, dx is equals to du over negative 3. So, we're going to distribute the value of dx at the original equation. So, the integral of e to the power of negative 3x, the integral of e to the power of u multiplied by negative 3x dx. So, du over negative 3. So, we're going to cancel out this negative 3 and this value. So, negative 3 and negative 3. So, ang maiiwan na lang is the integral of eu du. So, we're going to integrate this e. So, eu plus c. So, the value of u here is e negative 3x plus c. So, this is the final answer.